Hey everybody, it's Dan the ToughSkin Man. I got an email from a potential customer named Nick that's from Southbridge Home Renovations out of Gaithersburg, Maryland. He has a customer that has a leaking chimney. Chimney's made of bricks. Bricks are a porous material, and every time it rains, the water gets right through the bricks and comes inside the house. And you know what I said to Nick? I said, Nick, you called the right guy. Not only do I have the product you need, but I will hand deliver it to Maryland and help you do that chimney. So let's go to Maryland right now and waterproof a chimney. Come on, let's go. We made it to Maryland, and as you can see, they're open for business, which is perfect. All right, so we're in Gaithersburg, Maryland. We're with Nick from Southbridge Home Renovations, and we're going to be waterproofing the chimney we have behind us. So let's take a look at that right now. All right, now we're applying the clear to the chimney. It's pretty easy, just roll it on. And we'll be applying it to the top concrete cap and also the clay flute and all the bricks from the top all the way down to the bottom there too. If I can get that. Probably a 45-minute job. All right, so now we're most of the way around the top part of this chimney and we're coating the cap. You can coat the clay flute and the concrete top cap. You can coat everything with the clear coat so the water beads off of everything. All right, we'll come back when we've got the top done and we're doing the bottom. All right, so we have the top part of the chimney done. They're coating the bottom. And let's take a look at how this top cap will bead the water off. It's a little windy today, it might get blown around a bit. See how the hydrophobic coating, now the concrete doesn't soak it up at all. It just beads right off, even with a very low pitch on it. It just rolls, pretty much rolls off. There it is there, gone. And if I can get a good view of the bricks do the same thing. Water's completely gone. Oh, it works. All right, now we're doing the bottom of it. We're almost done. The last little bit of rolling. And you can actually see the shine on the bricks. The shine will last a day to a few days, and then the shine burns off and it looks like the regular brick look, but that's a nice big chimney. And now the water will be completely bead off of that chimney.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we...
Another chimney saved in the land of the brave. See you on the next video.